KE 1250 round baler machine. Non-stop working system with the spare blades. Time-adjusted, full automatic lubricating system provides easy maintenance and durability. Adjustable support wheels drives pickup system in all rough field conditions. Advanced bale chamber system offers high density and well-shaped bales. Wider net box for the non-stop productivity. Extra power special chain system that moves the drum offers you absolute operational reliability. Technology to reflect your energy. Kein Erkro Makina.